Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against the Tygem 3-dan player. I am using the black, my opponent is white, and we are making this Joseki right now. And my opponent knows that the popular one, nowadays this is used more than connecting. So I just have to jump here first and I need to check where my opponent is going. He just has played the push. I have to say thank you to him. Push is not really helpful for him because when he approached from the left hand side, then that's gonna be the bad exchange. Okay, what Joseki do I have to use? Let's respond with normal one. I think my opponent knows quite well which one is used mostly nowadays. Even he knows attach and the double hane. This is a mostly popular one. And now let's make just common Joseki. After I make the Atari and black has to connect. And then white has to play here. Now my one stone is here. Okay, this time somehow stretch will be more suitable. Yeah, this is one of the Joseki that we are using a lot. And then okay, when he pushes here, then let's have a two space jump. Actually, when he pushes here, the right hand side is quite valuable. It's great, really. I think his basic skill is very good. Yeah, he knows what he has to do it. So now, okay, let's follow the Joseki that he had played just now. He is gonna block, obviously. Then now I am gonna play double hane, same as him. And connect is the Joseki, which is little bit better for black. It's not like it's better a lot, just in the later I can make the tiger's mouth here. So just according to follow the dictionary, just we are thinking black is just a little bit better. And he just has played here. Which Joseki can make me happy? This time, okay, let's get the corner. I want to make the bigger corner, and he's gonna play 3 space jump. And always after he plays here, getting into 3-3 is quite annoying for black. So this time, if you feel this is quite annoying for you, I can introduce you one of the good move. We can invade first here, and I guess maybe he's gonna play here. After this exchange, and I can make hane block connect. Then he has to answer. Then I can tidy my corner by sente. He's very happy. My territory is quite big enough. Okay, now where is the biggest? At the last, I think the left hand side is the biggest. 2 space jump, somehow this is gonna be normal, but I have to share the side. And the problem is when I play 2 space jump later, if he pushes here, black is not so efficient. So I want to press white, and I am gonna chase this white group, and then I will try to get I will try to be more efficient. Okay, I think his invasion is also great, and now I can play Kusumi or jump. Yeah, both are possible. And when he plays the push here and just jump, and just I have to keep jump out to the center. Suddenly end game. This is like, I can't think this is end game. Just I think he wants to save this group. Yeah, it's understandable, but when I play around here or tiger's mouth, it should be little bit painful for him. Okay, let's see. Now I don't think I can try to attack this group anymore. And I don't think this group is in danger, because when he approaches here, I can make tiger's mouth. And when he stretches here, I can make 1 space jump. So my base is no problem. Just I am thinking that between this black 3 stones and the white 2 stones hasn't done yet our local fighting. So I'm just gonna press these 2 stones. And then I will just continue to play stretch. Yeah, and now still I can think about to push out or just let him connect with knight move. It's also great. Both ways are possible. I can even push out and try to cut here. Should I? Push, go out, and then cut. And then answer here. I'm gonna stretch, attach, go out. And then nothing is good for me. Then just let you reduce white area and let him just connect. Yeah. And then I'm gonna jump one more time and just let him connect here like this. Then okay, finish here. Oh, somehow next to biggest is here. Yeah, after I play here I can think about to invade here in the next round. So wow, I think he's very good, really. Yeah, his basic is really amazing. I can't really think he's 3-down player, really. Yeah, when I play the live game, his 3-down performance, I think he is the best player. He really knows that what he has to do. He is getting 33 and even making me annoying for my base. So I have to keep spend my move at the center. Yeah, even he knows that this can protect from my invasion. It's very good. It's really amazing. Yeah. Okay, just let's answer. So now is even territory balance is similar. Yeah, it's really great. After this, where is it gonna be the biggest? You just wanna make Sente. I have to accept. Now we have to start to play at the center. I'm not sure whether capturing one stone is valuable. Okay, that's he's right. Very good. He really wants to separate of my group. Then I will block first. Black has to be careful. Sorry. White has to be careful in this area. There is some amazing RG. At the first, when he separates of my group, he has to be sure he is attacking me, just like this group or this group should be in danger. Otherwise, there will be no reason to separate of me. And now this is making my eye shape here. So, oh, he realized that I really wanted to show you what there was the RG. Just now, actually, if I don't play here, I can push here, and then when he saves his 3 stone, I can throw in here. When he capture, I can Atari. When he connect there, I can invade, and there is gonna be the life and then trouble. But he realized that. It's really amazing. Yeah. But anyway, still, my fighting condition is good. Because, yeah, just now I told you, white can't really find enemy. I already have 2 eyes for this group. I don't really have to be worried about that. And also, this group is not so in danger. I have almost 1 eye here. And yeah, here also anytime I can make eye shape. So, okay, keep push here. Didn't I check here? Oh, actually this cutting point is a bit annoying. I was a bit careless. Okay, let me make the center first. And can I defense here efficiently like this? I don't want to spend 1 move here, and I can just make here. Okay, this one is acceptable. He really wanted to cut, but I already prepared. I have 2 eyes here, so it's no problem for me. Oh, you really want to capture me? Okay, this time let me use the reading. Isn't it too much? Yeah, if he used that Even if I just connect here, I can save actually, because if he makes this become fake eyes, then I can just, become false eye, then I can capture this one stone. But even I have a better move, I can capture these 3 stones. And he has to cut. You know, he can't give up these 3 stones. And then when he cut here, I can Atari. When he capture, I can Atari. When he connect, I can just make capturing race with this group. That's why this invasion was overplayed. Okay, let me just capture. Of course, I have to give up these 2 stones. Then now I can break his eye shape first. Is it greedy? Actually, connect was good enough. But just if he accept and I can connect, that's even better. Yeah. I just need to care about this group at the last. Oh, even he didn't make the eye shape. Okay, let's just play jump. And this is only that I have to care. Yeah. Now he must try to care. Yeah, something like that. And the jump is good enough. You know, we get to have many accidents when we take care of this group, this kind of a group. Just like when I play here, he will keep trying to punch here. Then you will feel here is even difficult to make the eye shape, because now white has a like capturing in the later when he feel in this is in danger. So this time our Hengma method performance is important. Now this is a good move. Here is like a Tetsuji, because when he pushes, then I can block. Then now I can even have eye shape. Then now this one stone is going out to center faster, and even I am holding the eye shape here. That's why when we are taking care of this group, which is not really danger, but which is not really strong, then our the moving method is very important. Yeah. If we make the mistake from here, then it might be in danger. Okay, he just go back to have a end the game. But now I don't have to respawn here. This value is getting down. At the first, I can save my 1 stone and let him just connect. It doesn't mean I'm gonna capture. Just this can be good end the game. And also I am stealing his base. And then when he is going out to center, I can defend my group naturally. So isn't it overplay? I think it seems really overplay. Okay, actually connect is also okay. But if I want to use the complicated move, I can even jump here. I can accept him to separate of my group. Yeah, he is starting to use the Tetsuji that he knows that. Okay, let's cut here first. And then even I can sacrifice my 1 stone. Oh gosh. I had a misreading. I didn't, oh, just now, I didn't read this push carefully. If he pushes here, then I was a bit trouble. Yeah. So when you want to punish your opponent, then you have to really play carefully. You need to read very detailedly. And then now when he was touching my group, and then now becoming this area is stronger, so he can't really go outside then, because he made me much stronger. That's why actually I don't even have to try to kill. Killing is not my mission. But if I have a chance, of course I can try. Yeah, now his white is became in danger. So maybe he may not realize that this was in danger. Yeah, I can break. He can only take the 1 eye, you know. Yeah, white can't do it. And now I think somehow white is a bit broken. Yeah, but I can feel from the beginning until middle game, his performance is like, it's not like 3-dan. I think it's stronger than his level. You know, the older people, their strong part is different. But I really felt that until middle game. From beginning to middle game was amazing. Yeah, compared to 3-dan, his basic skill is very good. Just in the middle game, he may not be sure how to handle the game. Yeah, just like, yeah, when he started to cut from my group, there was no reason to cut because my group was not so weak. Then he was not sure how he can keep continue to have a territory style game. Yeah, now he resigned just now. Okay, so at the last, I this, which means this was actually small. White has to go to the lower side. Then of course I was leading the game because white was broken it at the upper side, and when I just go to the lower side, then white will lose many points. Yeah, because I can even bother his base, and then he made overplay. Then I could finally capture his group. But you know, just now I told you that even I didn't read the one thing detailedly. If he just pushed here, then it was quite dangerous. Yeah. Please don't learn about that. Yeah, we have to really read detailedly. Okay, everybody. Anyway, thank you very much for watching for this video. Today I have played with the 3-dan player. Then I'm gonna make the more useful video next time. Thank you very much for watching for this video. Please like and subscribe. Then thank you very much. Then see you next time. Bye bye.